How accurate is Hume Band? The Hume Band 2 tracks heart rate, HRV, sleep, blood oxygen, skin temperature, activity, recovery, and more. But when a wearable gives you this much health data, there's one question that matters more than the feature list. How accurate are those numbers actually? I looked at Hume's current claims alongside recent independent testing, and the answer depends heavily on which measurement you're looking at. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. Starting with the hardware, Hume says the Band 2 uses 5 LEDs and 4 photodiodes to collect biometric signals. The company says its updated sensors and signal processing improve accuracy compared with the original Hume Band. Hume also says the Band 2's accuracy has been validated through laboratory studies and third-party testing. However, manufacturer claims aren't the same thing as independent real-world testing, so let's look at what outside reviewers have found. For resting heart rate, the results are fairly encouraging. In one 2026 hands-on test, the reviewer wore the Hume Band 2 alongside Whoop and Aura. At rest and overnight, Hume's heart rate and HRV measurements reportedly tracked closely with those devices, with resting heart rate generally within about 1 or 2 beats per minute in that review. But exercise revealed a bigger limitation. During a 45-minute strength training session, the Hume Band recorded a maximum heart rate of around 131 beats per minute, while Whoop recorded peaks into the 150s. That doesn't automatically mean Hume is inaccurate in every workout. Wrist-based optical sensors in general can struggle during weight training because gripping, wrist movement, and muscle tension can interfere with the optical signal. Wearables July 2026 review found a similar issue. The reviewer said the Band 2's new sensors improved data accuracy, but inaccuracies could still occur in heart rate, sleep, and recovery measurements. Sleep tracking looks more useful when you're interested in overall trends rather than perfect clinical precision. In one side-by-side overnight comparison, Hume recorded 7 hours and 35 minutes of sleep while Whoop recorded 7 hours and 19 minutes, a difference of about 16 minutes. But sleep stages such as REM, deep and light sleep should be interpreted more cautiously. The Hume Band estimates these stages using wrist sensors and algorithms. It isn't measuring brain activity in the way a clinical sleep study does. The same principle applies to HRV and recovery. HRV can be particularly valuable when you compare your own readings over weeks and months, rather than focusing too heavily on a single day's number. Hume also generates proprietary measurements such as metabolic capacity, metabolic momentum, biological age, pace of aging, strain, and recovery status. These are calculated insights based on sensor data and algorithms, not measurements you should interpret like a laboratory test. Hume itself acknowledges in its technical information that wearable measurements are estimates derived from physical signals and models, and that wearables have greater uncertainty than laboratory reference methods. Fit also matters. If the band is too loose, moves excessively, or doesn't maintain good contact with your skin, optical measurements can become less reliable. So how accurate is the Hume Band? Based on the evidence currently available, the Hume Band 2 appears more useful for monitoring resting heart rate, overnight HRV, sleep duration, recovery patterns, and longer-term wellness trends than for obtaining perfectly precise measurements during every activity. If you need highly accurate exercise heart rate measurements, particularly during strength training or intense intervals, a good chest strap heart rate monitor remains a stronger option. And most importantly, the Hume Band is a consumer wellness wearable. Don't use its measurements by themselves to diagnose a medical condition or replace professional medical testing. The best way to use Hume is to watch how your own numbers change over time, rather than assuming every individual reading is perfectly accurate. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video and you can find the product link in the description. If this video helped you understand Hume Band accuracy, like the video,